Dawn, and this is my review of the couch console. Now, I was provided this item for review, but I have to say it's something that I've had my eye on and have actually been coveting since the last holiday season. My sister purchased one of these for both her husband and my nephew, and it has really come in handy. Like I said, I've seen it in action. A couple of features I want to point out right away. You've got this snack cup here. Now this is food grade and it's also dishwasher safe, which is great, so you can throw your favorite chips, candies, what have you, straight into the container itself. Another feature is the cup holder. So right now there's a stopper in the bottom, so it is just a stationary cup holder. But if we pull out the cup holder, the top, pull out that stopper, you'll find that this is counterbalanced. So put that back into place, set that same cup in there, and if you think about being on the couch with the dogs and the kids and all of that, regardless of what direction I tilt the console, that cup stays upright and there's no spillage, which is awesome. This tray here, right, can use it for a number of different things. My favorite thing is just the remote and being able to keep track of it and where it is. You've also got this slot here that of course you could put like writing utensils in, but right, also phone slides right in there, makes it easily accessible. If we pop out this tray, flip it over, you actually have an armrest. So again, if you think about being on the couch, now you have the ability to prop both arms and or at least have one arm propped if you get to be that person stuck in the middle. You may have noticed that there is a charging port here. If you look inside, there is a cord for a USB-C, which allows you to attach a portable charger. And now you have the ability right from the console itself to be able to charge things like your phone and your gaming controllers. This compartment is also large enough to hold a gaming controller, which is great. And you may or may not have noticed there's also a spacer in here, which allows you to play with this and modify it again to whatever your needs are. So there's really a lot of opportunity with this product to be able to make it your own. Well, I hope you have reviewed or enjoyed that review and that you are interested in this product as much as I am. I know I'm looking forward to using it for years to come. Thanks for watching.